Water. It's good for your body, your life, and your environment. Kangen water is believed to have the power to reduce oxidation. Levelux series is the water generator that makes this revolutionary Kangen water. Levelux SD501, designed to be easy to use. Levelux Deluxe 2, the second model of this popular series. And Levelux Junior 2, with an impressive, beautiful form. Kangen water produced from the Levelux series is well-balanced, healthy water, containing elements such as hydrogen ions, small clusters, and minerals. Kangen water makes your everyday life dwell in beauty, secure knowing that your environment is sanitary, healthy, and serene. Continuous ionized electrolysis water generator Levelux series can provide you with Kangen water, acidic water, clean water, strong Kangen water, and strong acidic water with only one touch. You can use 5 types and 7 levels of electrolyzed water, depending on your choice. This is made possible by a high-powered electrolytic cell. An ample amount of electrolyzed water will be powerfully produced. Also, the built-in electrolysis enhancer tank can produce strong acidic water and strong Kangen water steadily and continuously. Levelux series is designed to be easy to use. You can select the type of water you need with just one touch. The voice prompts will inform you of the water being produced. And also there will be warning alarms or voices in certain situations.
Increase flow. Kangen water 9.5.
Now we will show you how to set up the Levelux series that produces Kangen water. First, check the accessories of the Levelux series. Then, install the unit on a flat surface. And next, here's how to install the diverter. Check the type of faucet beforehand. We will show you 3 major types here. First, we will show you how to install the shower nozzle type diverter. These are the accessories you can use. First, remove the foam part already fixed here. Then, check the packing at the showerhead adapter and tighten it at the end of the faucet. Next, set the fixing nut and tighten it at the foam adapter with the foam adapter packing. Use a coin to tighten the foam adapter. Now, tighten the setting nut of the diverter. The process is now complete. Next, we will show you how to install the outer screw-type foam adapter. These are the accessories for use. First, remove the old faucet already affixed there. Set the fixing nut and foam adapter packing into the faucet. Check correct screw size and then tighten the foam adapter at the end of the faucet. Use a coin to tighten the foam adapter. Tighten the setting nut of the diverter. The process is now complete. Next, we will show you how to install the inner screw-type foam adapter. These are the accessories you will use. First, remove the old faucet already affixed there. Set the fixing nut and foam adapter packing into the faucet. Check correct screw size and then tighten the foam adapter at the end of the faucet. Use a coin to tighten the foam adapter. Now tighten the setting nut of the diverter. The process is now complete. For other faucet types, please contact our Customer Support Center. Next, we will show you how to set up the unit. Remove the hose ring of the diverter which you have attached to the faucet. Insert the hose ring into the white water supply hose. Attach the hose to the branch plug. Fix it tight with the hose ring. Connect the gray secondary water hose to the secondary water stand and fix it to the kitchen sink by the suction pad. Plug in the power cord and press the power button.
Power on. Kangen water 9.5.
Press the reset button inside the water filter cover.
Filter reset.
The process is now complete. For more information, please see the operation manual. Levelux series can produce 5 types of water by 4 basic operations. To produce Kangen water, press the power button to turn on the power.
Power on. Kangen water 9.5.
Then press the Kangen button to select the Kangen water mode, ranging from pH 8.5 through pH 9.5. The pH will be changed each time the button is pressed. Set the lever of the diverter to ion to let the water supply faucet open. If the water flow rate is too low, the alarm will sound and a message appears on the display. Open the faucet further. Kangen water is discharged from the flexible pipe, and at the same time, acidic water is discharged from the gray secondary water hose. Store the acidic water produced at that time in a tank to utilize effectively. If the end of the hose touches the water surface in the tank, less Kangen water and more acidic water will be discharged. Be sure not to let the hose touch the water surface. Measure the pH value in the Kangen water with the pH test liquid set. The potable range is up to pH 10. Put Kangen water in the enclosed test tube about 1 inch deep. The pH value is unsteady in initially processed water, so run the water for approximately 10 seconds before sampling. Add about 1 to 2 drops of test liquid to the tube and shake the contents well. Check the color comparison paper. When using with glycerol phosphoric acid calcium, take off the tank cover and turn the cap of the calcium charging port located at the right top corner of the unit. Charge glycerol phosphoric acid calcium into the adding cylinder located inside. By adding glycerol phosphoric acid calcium, the water with less mineral content can improve in pH concentration because electrolyzation will be enhanced. Next, we will find out how to produce acidic water. Acidic water is not for drinking. First, press the acid button.
Beauty water.
Set the lever of the diverter to ion and open the water supply faucet. Acidic water from the white flexible pipe and Kangen water from the gray secondary water hose will be discharged. These types of water are not for drinking. Strong Kangen water and strong acidic water can be produced at the same time. The electrolysis enhancer is always necessary when producing strong Kangen water and strong acidic water. Please add electrolysis enhancer when the display, the voice guidance, and alarm sound inform you that there is not enough of it. Fit the attached funnel into the slot and place the electrolysis enhancer into the tank. Close the tank cover and then press the strong acid button.
Strong acidic water.
Set the lever to ion and open the faucet. Strong acidic water will be discharged from the gray secondary water hose, and strong Kangen water will be discharged from the white flexible pipe. Next, we will show you how to produce clean water. Press the Clean Water button.
Clean water.
Set the lever to ion, then open the faucet. Clean water will be discharged from the white flexible pipe. Do not drink the water discharged from the gray secondary water hose. To stop the operation, turn off the faucet. It will stop producing water. The water remaining in the unit will be discharged from the gray secondary water hose. Because calcium deposited on the electrodes in the electrolysis chamber may cause performance degradation, the unit cleans itself automatically. After the unit produces Kangen water for more than 15 minutes, the cleaning mode and the water-producing mode will be displayed alternately. The unit will automatically clean itself at the time of its next use.
It cleans it.
The unit will start cleaning automatically for about 30 seconds. Then it will start to produce each type of water. To change the sound level of the voice guidance, press the Kangen button for 3 seconds or more in power off mode. The lamp will blink and the unit will switch to the changeover mode. Press the Kangen button while the lamp is blinking. The sound level can be changed by 3 levels. Press any button except Kangen button to return to Kangen water mode. Now we will show you how to replace the water filter. First, remove the water filter cover of the unit. Next, turn the water filter holder knob clockwise about 40 degrees and lift the water filter to take out. Insert 2 O-rings into the bottom of the new water filter. Check the mounting position well and insert the filter firmly. Then put the filter holder back and lock. Press the reset button of the water filter.
Filter reset.
Replace the water filter cover. While the power button is turned off, run the water for 3 minutes to adapt the filter to water. Please be sure to use our genuine water filter for replacement, as other filters may cause problems.
Now we will show you how to clean the unit with an e-cleaner. Repeat this procedure once every 1 to 2 weeks. First, close the faucet. Then turn off the power and unplug the power cord. Unscrew the cap of the cleaning powder unit, fill with enough cleaning powder to cover the bottom, and replace the cap. Remove the water filter cover from the main unit and rotate the filter holder to remove the water filter.